Forge Mill is situated in the Teme Valley in one of the most sought after addresses of Shelsey, Walsh. It sits here within its own private gardens, nothing surrounding it except glorious farmland across the Teme Valley. Forge Mill is great. The accommodation just flows enormously from this farmhouse kitchen with eating area, fitted cupboards and alga into the central hallway where there's a conservatory and then my favourite room. I love this room. It's a fantastic drawing room with oversized windows allowing loads of natural lighting, a massive log burner for heating, great ceiling height, and if you are entertaining, just off it is this wonderful dining room. It's got dual aspects, an open fireplace and loads of charm. Every morning from this master bedroom, you get to wake up to the most extraordinary valley view. The river running through the middle of the valley sometimes sets up a delightful mist at the bottom. There's also great views over your garden and onto the pond in the far corner. Come and view this exceptional property and to live in this wonderful neck of the woods, don't hesitate to contact me in the Country Homes office